For this class, pretty much none of the students has ever used Gravity Sketch before they started. And I think we're at around week 8, something like that. And to see how far they've come in learning the program is really, really amazing.
I think we don't have as much like physical modeling during our education process, so sometimes, you know, it's a little hard to conceive like how is the section going. You got to feel like, you know, the fender is this wide, you know, the steering wheel is like this far away. On an interior perspective, you know, make me more empathetic.
The reason we do these sponsorships is multifaceted. A lot of these students are going to go into industry and carry these workflows into their positions. As far as the Gravity Sketch side of things, we get to learn a lot about the product and how it's being used, both as a creation product, but also a collaboration and presentation product as well. And for Stellantis, they get to see a undoctored view of how students are using this technology in new and interesting ways so that they can take those learnings back into the studio and adopt them as well.